the inner corner, it gives something special. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to test together the new collection by Essence, and this is the Ho 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 Trend Edition. Let me show you the products that I got from the collection. We have the Twinkle highlighter. This is 10 grams and the price of it is €2.95. And this is a light pink highlighter that I'm going to use for today's makeup look. I also got Santa's Little Helper, this one here, and I couldn't say no to this brush. It is so cute. We have some candy canes and glitter. It is so beautiful. Santa's Little Helper is €2.95. I like that the brush doesn't feel flimsy. I also got this bath bomb greeting card, and this is a cute little deer with a bath bomb as a nose. Inside you can write your greetings. Unfortunately, we will need to destroy the beautiful nose to get the bath bomb out. And this is a strawberry scented bath bomb. I don't smell anything because it is in a plastic layer inside the plastic layer. Inception. I'm not very sure if I'm going to use the bath bomb or I will just keep the greeting card like this. It's so pretty, I don't want to destroy it. And of course, the more exciting product of this collection is this eyeshadow palette, and this is the Jingle All the Way. We have 9 eyeshadows in this palette. It is super pretty. The price of it is €7.95 and we get 9 grams of product. It smells like paper from diaries. You know those little diaries that we had as children? This one smells exactly like that. It's not something very strong, so don't worry about that. It's not like the Peach palette by Too Faced. Nope. In my opinion, the packaging is a step back. For these 9 eyeshadow palettes that we have also by Essence, we have a mirror, we have names for the eyeshadows. Also, it is €1 cheaper and we get more grams of product. I will start with the eyeshadow palette, and after that I will also test the highlighter, and we're going to see if these Ho 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 products are worth the money. If you want to see more cool Essence eyeshadow palettes, I have created a playlist and I will have a card here so you will find them easier. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite product by Essence or another drugstore brand, and also share this video with a friend that likes drugstore makeup. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Let's start with the palette, and as we can see we have some berry eyeshadows in here and also some pressed glitters that I want to see how they look on my eyes. Ooh, this gold eyeshadow is so creamy. In this palette we don't have a shade that I can use for my brow bone highlighter. The light gold eyeshadow that we have is a little bit darker for my skin tone, so I will not use it. I will apply this highlighter by Essence. This is the Baked Metallic highlighter in the color Like You're Doing What You Love. I will take this warm brown eyeshadow and I will blend it into my crease with an eye blender brush by Essence. We have some kickback. Be careful, it is very soft. Tap the excess off. I will apply a second layer. This eyeshadow blended very nice. In this palette we have 3 matte eyeshadows, these 3 here, and 4 shimmer eyeshadows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 satin eyeshadow and also 1 glitter eyeshadow. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I will take this deep magenta shimmer eyeshadow and I will apply it in the outer eyelid. This eyeshadow has a creamy consistency and it's not easy to pick it with a brush. We have some intensity, it's not that we have nothing. With a sponge tip applicator, I will try to take again this eyeshadow a little bit with my finger. The best way to apply this eyeshadow is with your fingertips. For a more precise application, you can use also a sponge tip applicator. I like using sponge tip applicators because you can apply your eyeshadow exactly where you want, and I don't have very big eyelids, so I need these. I will apply with my little finger. Let's continue with this eyeshadow here. It is a warm gold eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid. Ooh, that's so pretty. Super reflective and rich in color. It looks so nice. With a brush, I will try to blend the 2 colors together. For my inner corner, I will take the light gold eyeshadow with a pencil brush by Morphe. I want to see if I will be able to apply it with the brush. Nope, and I have fallouts. Not a good idea. Don't try it at home. With a setting spray, it doesn't look very nice, and also it is difficult to press the brush on my eyes. I think the best way to apply the creamy eyeshadows of this palette is with your fingertips or with a sponge tip applicator. And with the side of the sponge tip applicator, I will take this eyeshadow in the corner. Oops, I have fallouts. With a dry brush, this is how it looks. If you want it for every day, it looks okay. I want to give a little bit of definition in my outer corner, and we have two eyeshadows that I can use. This dark warm brown eyeshadow and this beautiful purple eyeshadow. And this one here has a satin finish, but it doesn't have a lot of sheen, so I am guessing we will be able to use it as a crease color. With eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take the deep purple eyeshadow and I will place it in the outer third of my eyelid to intensify my outer corner. I will take the same eyeshadow with a smudging brush and I will apply it in the outer lower lash line. With the same smudging brush, I will take the satin eyeshadow that we have and I will blend the lower lash line. This eyeshadow gives a vampy feeling to my eye look. It looks so nice. With brush 225 by Zoeva, I will take the dark brown eyeshadow and I will blend it into my outer crease. That blended very easy. I am also going to use the glitter. They have like a sticky consistency, but I want to use a glitter base because I don't want to have fallout. And I will use the glitter primer by Essence. I have never tried this one before. I hope it works. For some reason this is pink. I will apply some on my center, on the center of my eyelid. Now let's see how I will apply them. Ooh, that's so pretty! After that, I clean my finger and I apply the glitter. For eyeliner, I will use the liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. The only eyeshadow that is missing for me is a shimmer eyeshadow for my brow bone highlighter, but I can use my highlighter, so it's fine. And I would suggest to do your eye makeup before your face makeup with these creamy eyeshadows. This way you will eliminate any fallouts. Let's continue with the highlighter, and I'm going to use Santa's Little Helper. This is a pink highlighter. I thought it would be a frosty white pink highlighter. With this brush you have a very diffused effect and it's not very intense. It is cool, but I don't like these highlighters on me. I think this brush will be fantastic for bronzers because it gives a very diffused finish to my skin. I will try to use it also with the blush that I have today. This is the Blush Box by Catrice in the color Golden Coral. Tap the excess off. Okay, that looks so natural. So pretty. Let's see how it works with a contouring product. This brush works very nice. This brush is fantastic. I love it. The highlighter is not my style, but it blends very nice. It looks so natural on the skin, as natural as a pink highlighter can look. In the inner corner, it gives something special. From all the products, I am very impressed with the brush. This is going to be my little helper too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of this collection, and if you are interested in the palette. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!